rich boyfriend or girlfriend, and they gave you a house as a present. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie, and today we're talking about the again. This is the fourth video about this character, and in this video we're going to talk about how to use the to express what somebody does, or what somebody says, or whatever they do. Okay, so basically we have a single structure that is somebody plus a verb plus the, and then it means what somebody does or what somebody says. So here we have two examples. First one, what he said is not true. First of all, you have to know when we translate this what part, we need to translate what is after what, and then we put the. So he is 他 said is 说, so what he said 他说的. Alright, what he said 他说的. And then we just translate the rest of the sentence. 不是 is not 真的 true. 不是真的 is not true. So 他说的不是真的. Alright, now let's look at the second sentence. What I watched is a French movie. So the same, let's look at what part. And when we look at what part, we need to translate what is after what. So that's I watch. I is 我, watch is 看. So, and then we put the. Then we have 我看的, what I watch, or what I'm watching. And then we translate the rest of the sentence. It's a French movie, 是 French, 法国 movie, 电影是法国电影 is a French movie. 我看的是法国电影 Okay? Now, let's do some practice. Here we have another one. What he gave me is a house. Imagine, you have a very rich boyfriend or girlfriend, and they gave you a house as a present. So what he gave me is a house. So the same, first we look at what part. This is the what part. And first we translate what is after what. So he gave me, he is 他 gave, to give, gave. And then me, 我. And we put the here. Then we have what he gave me. 他给我的. 他给我的. And we finish the rest of it. 是, that's is a house, 一个房子. Okay? 一个房子. So what he gave me is a house. 他给我的是一个房子. 他给我的是一个房子. Now let's wrap it up. When you translate what somebody does, what somebody says, first we translate what is after what. For example, what he said. First we say he said, and then we put the here. So he said, 他说的. What I watched. So first we translate I watch, 我看, right? 我看. And then we have the. 我看的, what I watch. And what he gave me. First he gave me, 他给我. And then we had the here. Alright, that's all for today's video. Hopefully everyone will find someone who can give them a house as a present. And if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with those people who are also learning Chinese. See you next time. Bye bye.